If you play video games, don't have a girlfriend and spend most of the evenings alone, this is the sign that probably you might be one of those people who are meant to be sexy. So let's see if you check the rest two signs, and if you do, what can we do to change you from that to that? What is the one thing that super sexy men and video gamers have in common? Well, the answer may surprise you. Well, when you are playing video games, you are using some part of your brain that is called the reward system. That reward system is when you are playing video games, it's so highly addicting, is so highly developed that now you are that goal-striving creature. When you are playing video game, you aspire to get high ranks, to work on that, to get that helmet, that sword, to improve that, to beat that dragon, to get that amount of money. Well, highly successful men, sexy men who get the attention of women, they also have developed strong reward system inside of their brains. So if you are playing video game, you probably already have developed that system. Now we have to kind of understand how to really use it. And that's something that probably you have never heard of. Because, well, that's the thing. Most of the people, people who are running that world, people who are preparing those video games, people who are creating new Marvel movies, they are literally taking the thing that can change your life, that can make you a superhero, and they are taking it from you so that you will buy products from them. It's so sad that literally you have a potential right now to become a sexy, successful man. And those people, they take advantage of you. They take the advantage. They take your powers and they use them so that they will have more money. And you will not get anything in return. Only a shallow fulfillment. So brother, you are already part of our tribe. Of my tribe. And if you are that video gamer, a lonely video gamer without a girl, who wants to really improve, who wants to become sexy, who wants to have an amazing life, subscribe to this channel and join our tribe. And if you've been friend-zoned, you probably know how hard that feeling is. You probably know how painful it is. But do you know that paradoxically, it can make you even sexier? That's because you already have that raging fire inside of you. You already have those emotions. Let me guess, you are watching this video, you've been friend-zoned thousands of times, and the fire inside of you is burning because you want to finally show them that they were wrong. You want to show them that you are somebody who is better, who can be attractive, who can be big, muscular, who can stand up for himself. That's probably the thought that you have right now in back of your mind. You want them to feel regret because they left you. So why not show them that they were wrong about you? Because I know they were. I truly know. And to not sound like a total red pill, I have to tell you something, because most men think that it's bad to be a good guy. But being a good guy, a Mr. Nice Guy, actually can give you some benefits and actually can help you develop some skills that other men don't have and that eventually will make you sexier. So the rule of thumb is don't be too nice, don't let people take advantage of you, but be truly nice and truly good. You will see that if you will improve your physique, if you will improve your sexual market value, if you will improve yourself, your character, and then you will be nice, people will treat you way different. People will finally see and appreciate your effort. Right now, you probably tried to be a Mr. Nice Guy. You probably tried to be a good guy to the girl that you like. And she probably didn't even care about that. Trust me. I am in a relationship right now currently with my fiancée. And each girl that she knows, each of her female friend is jealous that she has a kind of a man like me in her life. Imagine like how powerful it sounds. Like my younger self wouldn't even believe me if I would say that to him. My younger self would sit like that and feel like, what? No, like what the hell? That's because we've been brainwashed by all of these red pill YouTubers. Oh, don't be Mr. Nice, be that alpha male. No, we want to be alpha males, of course, but we want to also be a good, decent man. We want that golden point in the middle of those two extremes. And you may ask, how can I implement all of those things to actually become sexy? You have two options. First option, just watch my videos, subscribe to this channel, watch my videos, and that way you will slowly start to learn, you will take notes, you will like kind of understand what I'm talking about. Those will help you, they will get you to the transformation that you want. But if you want to excel, if you want to have even faster transformation, you can go to the first link in the description. That's where the transformation will not be a long ass journey, but rather a simple process. Do your best and leave the rest to God.